Today I will show you how to remove voltage limiter and to run this grinder any types of power source. We are going to remove the speed and battery module because it was burn up, and going to connect it directly to motor to switch to battery. And I will change its battery to 18,650, or it can be tapped with lead acid 12 volts car battery or other sources of electricity. Remove the screw and open carefully, and you will see how beautiful inside its component. This reveals its three main components: the motor, the switch, and the control battery module, which restrict the grinder to run with other source. We are going to remove this because it was burned and busted. This battery power source, we will use the 18650 battery, but you can use any power source as long as it can provide decent amount of power. We removed the controller. It was connected directly to motor switch battery. This is the switch. Now it was directly connected to our power source. Test this run. That's all. Please subscribe. Sharing is caring. God bless.